All right, so the idea is wetland restoration monitoring. The issues are there's high costs to collect in terms of sensors, inefficient data collection and time investment. Stakeholders, scientific community, but also looking to a lot of different organizations for sustainability and environmental concerns within the Penn community and also the municipality and the biome. And then solution characteristics is to look into a passive or an active way of collecting data. Also maintaining buoyancy to flow in the water. It can be left alone or to collect whenever and doesn't interfere with the animals in the biome. The likely solution path is to develop a passive system of filtration of particles and then compile this data through sensors and to organize it through some sort of data set to collect later. And then the added feature could be an anchoring system or something that can reposition itself in moving waves, such as swimming. That's it.